Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is CFX Trading, and today I'm presenting the Nasdaq chart on the 8th of June 2022. Okay, taking you guys right into it. Wait for this to load. Sorry guys. Okay, so today's bias, I'm heading into today's trading with the bullish bias. And why am I bullish? I am bullish because we can see that from price running the short-term high as well as that short-term high, creating a market structure shift on the daily time frame and reaching this area right here of resistance. Price then ran a short-term high to then deliver price to a short-term discount. Um, Opening this week, I was expecting price to kind of drop maybe to the 50% um, equilibrium or below to a discount from this price move here. But I can see that price then consolidated throughout the previous week and towards this week's opening 2 days. Um, I'm going to take it as a potential bull flag right here, but then what I'm taking is that previously yesterday, price ran these short-term lows right here and then closed with the week up above these lows. And then today's trading, I want to see price complete this swing low right here. And then if this swing low is completed, trading on Thursday, the bullish price will be much more easier. So today I do want to see price set up a nice bullish move and then completing this swing low right here, and then I will take that as a full setup where price ran these sell stops right here. And going into the 4-hour time frame, to let you guys also know, I did use the smart money concepts whereby the S&P and the US 30 did not run this low, but they did create a higher low swing. And we can see that the Nasdaq yesterday created a lower low and then closed bullish, closing above this candle right here and leaving quite a small imbalance there. So for today's trading, I do if price is to retrace a bit down, I do see this area right here as my support area, and I will initially be targeting. Let me zoom out a bit. Okay. Initially, I will be targeting these equal highs here at, at 13,563. We can see that price actually has set up quite a nice bullish setup right here from this consolidation right here. We can see that this is a whole week's consolidation plus Monday and Tuesday's trading. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame where we're gonna look at price quite more in depth. So going into it guys, we can see that this area is the area of support and this forms quite a nice bullish order block, as well as these two equal lows right here. We could see price maybe come down random, that could offer quite a great setup. But if price doesn't reach these lows or either that support area, we could see a reaction within this bear candle right here where price sets up for a bullish run. Uh, Going down lower to the 15-minute time frame just to clarify what I'm expecting for today's move. We can see that to London open, London's trading is still in the London session at the moment, price consolidated, but then there's quite a significant move here where price runs the short-term low, and you can see if we go to the left side, these two areas provided quite equal lows where price did run below and back above. So my initial bias, if it's bullish, I would like to see if price is going to reach the New York Open below this opening price, that would be quite a, a good setup. But if price runs out these highs into um, into the New York Open, I do expect price to pull back quite close to the midnight opening price. And I'll also take a look at the 8:30 opening price to see if price will allow for a move down prior to the bullish move that I'm expecting today. So guys, stick with me and I hope you enjoyed this movie, right? Look, I'm saying move. I hope you enjoyed today's forecast, and I'll catch up with you on the New York session later on today.